Las Vegas. We are here. Take a look at the beautiful scenery. Nice and brisk and cool. I got my biggest coat I got living in Florida right here. Thick as it get. Hopping in the whip. And we headed to the range day, folks. The infamous, most notorious, best event of SHOT Show, from what I've been told, is the range day. So I'm looking forward to this. Stay tuned. I'm headed there now. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here. Industry Range Day, brought to you in part by Guns and Butter TV. Got some fresh tea. Trying to keep warm in this crisp, cool desert weather. Definitely seen some familiar faces already in the parking lot. You know, it's still early. I'm actually not even official yet. I gotta go to this line and pick my badge up. So once I do that, register, get all that good stuff done, we'll be a couple steps closer to actually firing these shots off, man. Big shots out to the NSSF. Here's this beautiful line I gotta stand in right now. Gotta get some cards out, some stickers. We have Boulder City Rifle Range in Boulder City, Nevada. But on both sides, sanitizer. On both sides. Pop, reporting live from the Glock table. This is a 45 acro point, and you said one shot each target.
One shot per target. You have 5 rounds in the mag.
Okay.
Yep.
Shoot the acro. Start from a low ready. See the dot.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Perfect. 451.
That was nice.
Good hit.
I like this dot. Good hit.
Yeah, you got a 451. Yeah, I already closed your log. Here we go. So you can see every shot you took on the target from the buzzer. Pretty cool. Hey,
one shot per target.
Go ahead and load. Shooter ready. Stand by. Yeah, 398.
398.
Hey,
awesome.
Are you guys?
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Problem. 414. Nice. A little bit slower than your best.
Yeah, that full size, can't really. Awesome, man. That was dope. Got to shoot the 45, got to shoot the acro aim point, got to shoot the 43X with this super dope loophole Delta. I don't know, it's not a Delta Point Pro. It's a loophole optic. I'm gonna get some more information on that, but it's your boy Guns and Butter reporting live, man. Next up, we're gonna hit this walkthrough booth. See what's up with these PDPs. And this is the compact slide compact. Correct. Yep. Awesome. Yep, exactly. It's all a calculus. 10 rounds, compact PDP. I could keep that dot right on that steel.
Yeah, and obviously they're cut for any one of the 4 basic footprints of optics. So you can do a low pole, you can do a hollow sun, you can do an aim point.
Yeah, I mean, we just went back to back. Wow. First time I shot this compact. I've shot the full size with a buddy of mine at the range, but I definitely think this might be a new pickup.
Yeah.
Of mine for sure, man. Appreciate you taking the time.
Yeah, thanks for coming by.
Single stack, double stack. Let's go double stack.
You want to go big?
Yes, sir. What inch is that? What inch barrel is that? need double stack.
I believe these are 6, because this is a long slide version.
Yeah.
And this is in the 10mm,
Oh, nice.
so you get a rock with the big boys.
Yes, sir.
We showed up yesterday.
Double stack.
2011.
2011.
I mean, maybe if you're like trigger press and consistency and slight angle trigger.
And that's why everybody loves it. You don't get that trigger very many other places.
For a 10 mil? Very, very small. Started with the 10. Give me a little pump.
10's kind of rowdy.
Yeah.
This is going to sweeten it right up.
Yeah.
All right, no, 18 or 20.
We got a 9 mil double stack. You said it. You didn't lie.
Worked on a couple of them.
Very, very soft
And
shit.
then we have 22 caliber, shooting a 40 grain projectile.
Wow.
At 2,000 feet per second.
Literally all bark, no.
Yep, all bark, no bite.
This is a must-have. Wow. That's fun, man. That's
Pretty
fun.
rocking,
That's
dude.
crazy. That 22 is amazing.
Got the single stack 45 there too.
Exclusive only. Invite only industry range deck. I'm glad to be a part of it. Look at him run into a few people. I haven't seen him yet. A little bit about this.
So this, you're like the 7th person in the world to see it.
Nice.
It's so Rubber Dummies is a company out of Arizona. It makes 3D self-healing targets. But this is the first time that they've done a mover. So this is
Wow. Action target. Airsoft.
Do what I can for the company, and he doesn't.
Nice. I will show you guys some of these optics for hunting Bushnell, but it's hard to show on video.
Tommy, I let everybody know.
So I want to get you some shooting done.
Yeah. Basically,
Yeah, you did. But I hit the swinger. The swinger on the
basically are one
swinger. Yeah. I didn't think I would hit it, but I aimed at it.
So you got a left-handed version because you're holding it with your right hand. That's why you have that.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Wow.
Support it.
Okay.
I'm going to put this spotting scope on that one.
That further one?
Hit.
150 yards. Think I got one more left? See if I can do it again. Ball out.
Yep.
Awesome, man. That was fantastic. Just listen to the gun sounds, man. All type of silencers, all type of rounds. Jeez. It's gonna be a lot of smiling in these videos because I can't help myself. I'm just being honest. About to go pick up one of my boys. Circle back through, get some content. Also gonna see if my record's been beaten yet. Safety off, going hot.
Excellent. Then we switch to 200 meters. Do you see the high pool over there to the right?
To the
high pool.
to the right, okay. I
And you have a target to the left of that pool. Just aim center in that target. Excellent.
Hit.
Yep. Now, if we look down the range, you see, you see the road.
I'm on it.
See the road. Don't shoot on the one on the road. Take
Behind
one
it?
of the 3 guys to the left of him.
Okay. That's 300 meters?
300 meters. Go ahead.
Going high.
Yep.
Hit.
Yep. Absolutely.
One more time.
We should try one cool thing. Now you have to aim really steady. The same guy that shot on the pool, by the pool.
Yeah.
Yep. He got the swinger.
Ah, okay.
So aim that swinger
Super.
really well. Yep. Aim slightly low, but you're still in the swinger. Okay, you're shooting on that one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you hit it.
Oh.
But, take the guy out to the right, all the way to the right. Yeah, by the pool. One more time. Aim it well.
Nice and tight. Oh, I saw it move. Nice, man. Well, furthest out of the shot was done today in the desert thanks to Aim Point Pro. I was shooting a 5.56 suppress, 300 meters, hitting 6-inch swingers. Like, the sights were so spot on and clean. I got a lot of guns I need to buy this year. I see the industry's changing, implementing technology with the guns and all that. I'm here for it. So on the 19.
Yep.
Going hot. I'm gonna hit this middle swinger here.
That's it.
That was pretty smooth.
You like that one?
Yeah, I did. It wasn't bad at all. Let's try some defense rounds.
So this is a real deal.
Plus P.
This is a real deal 10 millimeter.
Yeah. This is it.
1250.
All right, here it is.
Oh yeah.
Low or high? Wow. That wasn't bad for plus P. Not at all.
Yeah.
Not at all. Super excited about that. Nice. Winchester, check these guys out, man. You know me, you know the 10 millimeter is my favorite round. You'll be seeing this on the channel real soon. On the market?
Yeah, they are.
Okay. Nice. Awesome. What we got here? 22s.
This is our silver tip 22 LR. So 22 LR, obviously it probably isn't your first choice for personal defense, but a lot of people do use it. They got it in their nightstand or in their glove box. So we made a load that's just perfect for that.
Awesome. Competition shooters gonna dig this.
We got our new Defender. It's a number 2 shot.
Kind of throw.
So kind of the theory.
Two.
You guys sighted in several years ago.
Yeah.
Did you already take a look at that? So
Super
100
soft.
pellets, you know, got a pretty good payload. The message when they first announced it that they, you know, shot shows coming.
I see why the competition shooters, all the old guys love these things.
My husband's
Nice,
a
soft, flat.
so I have to stay.
I'm a fan. Definitely a fan.
Because I'm not driving all the way home. We're not taking 2
Oh.
trucks.
And that was their silver tip 22 LR 37 grain round. Shot great.
We got a 12 gauge load over there for personal defense. 100 pellets. Nasty.
You do not want to mess with that.
Ounce and an eighth lead, number 2 shot. Defender close range.
Take a look at the ballistics, guys. Wow.
This is that 22 LR, so when it hits, it actually breaks into a few pieces, and then that base of the bullet keeps driving in. This is a 16-inch long block, so it pounded in there about, I don't know, 10, 12 inches.
Yeah. It's not bad for a 22. That's what I just shot. You saw me shooting that. And the 9mm speaks for itself. That speaks for itself. That's penetration. Nice. And the defense rounds. Excellent.
And this one you got 10mm on this side and 9mm on this side. See that 10 goes a little bit deeper.
A little further. You see why I love the 10, guys? That's the difference between a 10 and a 9.
But there's only like, they kept 10 for blue.
Wow.
15 for red.
Winchester never upsets, man. Consistency year after year.